Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Elastic Cloud. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Elastic Cloud login page. You can find the login page at cloud.elastic.co. On the login page, locate the input fields. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter your email to receive a password reset link. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Elastic Cloud dashboard. Here, you can manage your Elasticsearch services. To create a new deployment, click on the Create a Deployment button. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your desired configurations. After setting up your deployment, click Create Deployment to finalize. To view existing deployments, navigate to the Deployments tab. Select any deployment to access more details and options. You can monitor performance and manage scaling from this section. If you need to log out, find the account icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. This concludes your login process to Elastic Cloud. You are now ready to manage your Elasticsearch services effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.